Alright, Sharp21 here. We're getting near the end of the Voron build. So, for next couple of steps, we are gonna, well, I think today, we're gonna put the last pieces on the frame, finish tightening up the drive belts, remount the feet, because I need to take them off to put some nuts in, and we'll go from there. But thanks for tuning into the Voron series, and we'll pick you up in a minute. So we're mounting the last two cross braces that go in the frame. They run between here and here on both sides. You need to put these in before you tighten the belts fully with the adjusters. If you don't, it's going to pull these in too much for you to get this in. So that's what we're doing. Before you put these in, you need three M3 nuts per side. So let's slot these nuts in. Get them centered up. And then it will take a little finessing. But you will be able to sneak them in. And we'll do the same on the other side here. Now, those are in. They get held on by M3 by 10s. So let's see where my M3 by 10s are. And here they are. Now, yep. Let's see. Okay. Top rails are mounted finally. Nuts are in. Now we'll tighten these up. I'll do that off camera. And it's time to flip this, pull these feet off, put the nuts that live in these channels in, and also the nuts that live in the back channel for the back plate. So let me pull the feet off here and then I'll come back. Okay, so for this next set of nuts, we need to do 3 here, 3 here. Two, 3. We'll spin this 90. because you need 3 on this one, 3 on this one, and then 2 in here. The 2 on the bottom channel, which we'll do in just a moment, are for mounting the Raspberry Pi. Which will be what we'll be doing in the next step. We then need 3 on this one, 3 on this one. And one final set. We need 3 on this one. Now, put the feet back on. The ones with the 2 tabs are for the front. Ones for the 1 tab are for the back. I'll come back when that's done. That is everything, because I'm not putting skirts on right now. You'd add those at this point. Got one on the front, one on the side, one on the back. They come as 2-piece units. When I do the refresh on this, I'm going to print off the 1-piece versions. Alright, thank you all for tuning in. This was a quick one. Not too much to do, and just putting the last couple pieces of the frame on and the feet. Next video we'll be starting to mount the electronics, and soon after starting to wire her in. Still waiting on the rail, but probably by the time this video goes up it'll be here. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you found this helpful. Hope you are enjoying the series so far. We'll get this thing completed and we'll start printing parts. Hope you liked it. Hope to see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. If you did, hit that like button. If you want to catch the rest of the series, hit the subscribe and the bell, and that'll let you know when I put them up. Sharps out.
Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me out, and it lets you know when I put something new up. New videos will be going up on Tuesdays or Thursdays at 8 a.m. Eastern. And if I do decide to do live streams, I will try to give 24 hours notice. So hit the subscribe button on the channel and you'll be notified when I post that stuff too. Hope to see you next time. Sharps out.